it's Maulik and his father. Now we are trying to create one short video where we will be like doing a recap of the entire syllabus in real quick manner. Okay, so please watch this video. It will really help you to recap the whole syllabus in very short period of time. So let's jump on without wasting time. Here comes our first question. What does teamwork mean?
Working together to achieve a common goal.
Working together to achieve a common goal. That's correct. What is the key component of teamwork?
Communication.
Isolation, communication, hoarding, and repeating mistake. No,
Communication.
communication is the correct answer. Which example shows cooperation?
Taking turns during a game.
Yeah, that's correct. What does collaboration means?
Sharing ideas and working
That's
together.
cool. Which behavior shows respect in a team?
Listening and saying thank you.
That's good. Team can help complete tasks faster and more enjoyable.
True.
True? Yes, that's correct. Cooperation and collaboration means same as arguing.
False.
Which is natural resource? Water.
Water.
Of course, it's water. Which is a capital resource? Tree,
Uh,
no. Tractor, yes. Wind, no. Sunlight, no. Answer is tractor.
Tractor.
Human resources are machine only, people with skills only, animal only
People with
building.
skills.
That's correct answer, Mr. Malik. Capital resources are man-made tools used for producing goods and services. True,
True.
that's true. Renewable resources cannot be used again.
False.
False, that's correct. Which is the example of renewable resource? Coal, oil, wind, and iron.
Wind.
That's correct. Which is an example of non-renewable resource?
Oil.
Oil. That's good. If it is burnt, it cannot be renewable. Why are natural resources are important?
They are essential for life and industry.
That sounds good. Which is of this a human resource?
A
Nurse.
nurse.
That's correct. Teacher, nurse, doctor, police, they all are example of human resources. Goods are service performed for others.
False.
Yes, no. Service is service. Okay, don't get trapped here. Which item is good, not a service? Teaching service, cleaning service, book good, caring service. The book is the correct
Correct
answer.
answer.
Other things are the service, not the goods. Okay. Which item is a capital resource used in school?
Chess
Chair and
and
computer.
computer.
That's correct. Human resource cannot learn new skills. Who
False.
trade? Of course, they can learn the new skills. Which activity was important in UAE long ago? Of course, we all know that is
Pearl
what pearl
diving.
driving. That's very easy answer. Yes. Which discovery in 1960?
Oil.
1960 is oil, guys. Don't get confused. 1960 is oil. Which industry become 99? Okay, this is tourism.
Tourism.
Tourism. That's correct. The UAE important some because of import. Sorry, not important.
True.
True. Yeah, very true. Because of desert language case, they did not have food. They have to import the food. Okay. Which items are commonly imported in UAE?
Cars and gold.
Cars and gold. That's correct. What is pearl diving? Dance? No. Driving to collect pearls from oyster? Yes,
Yes.
that's the correct answer. Let's go. Pearls are valuable and help with the trade in past.
True.
Very, very true. Correct. Cultural diversity means everyone is the same. No, people from the different background live together
True.
respectfully. Yes, only one culture. No, this is not the correct answer. This is the
People.
correct answer. Yes, that's good. Which festival is commonly? Yeah,
Diwali.
Diwali. Let's say Diwali, Eid, and Christmas. If anything comes, you have to mention one of them. Okay, that sounds good. Cultural diversity makes a country less creative. No,
False.
it makes it more creativity. How does a school help student to learn from the different
By
culture?
organizing cultural events and sharing traditions.
That's totally correct. What traditional Emirati food might guest be offered?
Arabic coffee and dates.
Yeah, that's very true. Which clothing is traditional for Emirati men?
Tandura.
Kandura. We all know this, guys. From childhood, we are learning this. Music from around the world is not enjoyed in the UAE. La
False.
la 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 la. It's false. There is a music festival happening in the UAE. Okay. What is the UAE aiming for with the fourth?
Promote AI, robotics and innovation.
Yes, 4IR stand for fourth industrial revolution, and it promotes AI, robotics, and innovation. That sounds good. Which profession is example of human resource and community? Teacher,
Teacher.
mountain. Of course, it's teacher. That sounds good. Two more questions and we are done. Capital resource help increase productivity of human resource. Yes, very true.
True.
For example, if I'm a teacher, I can use the duster pen like this. Yes,
Yes.
very, very true. 38 question. Which is the example of an
Wind
inexhaustible?
energy.